Alright, today I'm looking at the fuel door on my 2012 Toyota Corolla. Okay, so the problem with this fuel door is that when you do the release here, the door doesn't actually pop open, and you can't open it because it just relocks itself. The only way to open it at this point is to put something under here to kind of wedge it open, and then I can pry it open with my fingers. Okay, so I've got this little Matchbox truck here wedged under the release lever, and now I should be able to open this up. Okay, so the problem is that there's a spring clip that snaps into here somehow that's missing, so that when this pin is released by the lever, the force of the spring will pop the door open, but because that's not here, the door just sits in place. And then releasing the lever just pushes this pin back through this boss right here and keeps the door locked. So we just have to put a new clip in. Okay, so here's the clip that I ended up getting. I checked with Advanced Auto first, and they don't have it and can't seem to order it. So the next most convenient place for me to pick it up was actually the dealership. So I got this right at a Toyota dealership, and this is the one that fits the 2012 Corolla. I imagine most Toyotas are similar, if not the same, but you'll need to check your application, check with your dealer, or check online, or whatever. But this happens to be the part number for my car anyway, which was a 2012 Corolla, and the thing only cost, I think it was $4.77, so not bad for a dealer item. Okay, so here's the clip out of the bag, so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's just a piece of plastic with some spring steel on it. Okay, and this looks like it just simply fits on here. This round part clips over the hinge, and then there's a tab on this end that fits into this hole in the gas door, and that should do it. So I'm just going to use both hands for this because it looks like it needs some force. Okay, there it is in place, and it went in easier than I expected. The gas door just was open a little too far. The trick was I had to close it a little bit just so that I could get the round end between the hinge and this piece of metal here. And then once I was able to do that, it clipped right in, and then this end has a locking tab as well, and everything is clipped in. Okay, so I've got the wedge removed from the lever, so this is now functioning. The locking pin is functioning as intended, so now I should be able to just close that, and of course now it won't open, but if I pop the lever here, it works as intended.